Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload multiple pictures in Pinterest. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Pinterest application on my mobile phone. And after we have this Pinterest application opened, we can click on this plus button on the bottom and then just click on pin. And if you want to select multiple pictures or photos, you can just click on the first photo, then you can click on the second photo to select it like this, and then you just need to click on next, and then you can click on next again to upload the multiple pictures. And here you can add title, description, link, or maybe you can also schedule it. It's up to you. Once you're ready, you just need to click on create. Okay, and now the pictures are being uploaded, and you just need to wait until the process completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload multiple pictures in Pinterest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.